Hello friends, you are welcome at YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. Today we will discuss the various crude drugs which is belonging to glycosides. This slide covers outlines for this topic. First is introduction of glycosides. Second is glycoside containing crude drugs. So here we will discuss three drugs. First is senna, second is aloe vera, and third is bitter almond. Now we will discuss the introduction of glycosides. So glycosides are non-reducing organic compounds and they can be hydrolyzed by the presence of alkali, acids and enzymes, and on hydrolysis they can be divided into two parts. First is sugar part and second is non-sugar part. Sugar part is also known as a glycone part and which is formed with one or two molecule of sugars, and second is non-sugar or aglycone part which is responsible for pharmacological activities and it is also known as a genin part. Now we will discuss first glycoside containing crude drug and it is senna. So senna is an Arabian name and which is given by Arabian physician Siraplum and Musu, and the synonym of senna is Alexander senna and Cassia senna, and the biological source of senna it is obtained from dried or fresh leaves and pods of Cassia angustifolia and Cassia acutifolia, and it is belonging to Leguminosae family. Now we will discuss the geographical source for senna. It is found in all over India but cultivated in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Now we will discuss the morphological characters for senna. So it is 2 to 4 cm in length, 7 to 12 mm in width, ovoid shape with curved margin and brittle in texture, as well as it shows yellow or green color and with mucilaginous and bitter taste. Now we will discuss the microscopic characters by TS of senna leaf. So it shows outermost layer which is epidermis. Second layer is mesophyll which is consist with spongy parenchyma, and at the center we can see the vascular bundle and these are xylem and phloem, and it also consists with palisade cells and it has a anisocytic type of stomata. Now we will discuss the chemical constituents for senna leaves. So it contains anthraquinone type of glycosides and these glycosides are sennosoid A and B, sennosoid C and D. Other constituents are imodine, chrysophenol, alloimodine and rin. It also contains yellow color flavanol and coloring matter camphorol. Now we will discuss the chemical taste for senna leaves. It gives Bronstein taste due to the presence of anthraquinone glycosides. So first of all we will take the powder crude drug of senna leaves and then boiled with dilute sulfuric acid and filter it. Then filtrate is treated with chloroform or benzene and then dilute ammonia is added in this solution. So ammonia layer becomes pink to red color due to the presence of anthraquinone derivatives. Now we will discuss the uses of senna leaves. So it is used as a laxative and cathartic. Senna is mixed with carminative drugs due to its gripping action, and powder senna is mixed with vinegar and applied externally to cure skin diseases. Now we will discuss next glycoside containing crude drug, it is aloe vera. So synonym of aloe vera is guarpata, and the biological source of aloe vera it is obtained from mucilage of leaves of aloe vera barbadensis which is belonging to Liliaceae family, and the geographical source of aloe vera it is found in all over world but cultivated in India, South Africa, China, Europe and Australia. Now we will discuss the morphological characters of aloe vera. So it is stemless, very short plant and leaves are rosette in shape, and the parenchyma of leaves contains pulp and with various spines, and leaves are 30 to 50 cm in length and 10 cm in width. Now we will discuss the microscopic characters by the TS of leaf of aloe vera. So it is consist with three layers. First is inner gel layer which is consist with 90% of water, lipids, sterols, minerals and vitamins. Second layer is middle latex layer. This layer contains bitter yellow color anthraquinone glycosides. And third layer which is known as a rind which shows the protective function and consists with carbohydrate and proteins. Now we will discuss the chemical constituents of aloe vera. So it is consist with about 200 types of chemical constituents, and these are amino acids, enzymes, minerals, vitamins, saponin, steroids, salicylic acid, and the major constituents are anthraquinone glycoside, and these are barbiloins, isobarbiloins, aloimodine, and imodine. Now we will discuss the chemical test or identification test for aloe vera. So it is known as a modified Braun-Tanger test. In this test, first of all we will take aloe vera gel and then add 4 ml of alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution and then boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 drops of hydrogen peroxide and acidified with 5% hydrochloric acid, and then shake with benzene, and then we separate out the benzene layer and then add 2 ml of concentrate nitric acid. Then benzene layer shows the red color due to the presence of anthraquinone glycoside. Now we will discuss the various medicinal uses of aloe vera. So it is used as a cathartic and purgative. It is used in wound healing activity. It is used as an anti-diabetic and anti-cancer activity, and it is used as a herbal cosmetic. Now we will discuss third glycoside containing crude drug, and it is bitter almond, and the synonym is Amygdala, amara and badam, and the biological source it is obtained from dried ripe kernels and seeds of Prunus amygdalis, which is belonging to family Rosaceae, and the geographical source it is found in all over world but cultivated in India, basically in Punjab and Kashmir. It is also cultivated in various countries like Italy, Spain, France, Morocco, etc. Now we will discuss the morphological characters of bitter almond. So color is brown in color, order no specific order, taste is bitter, length is about 1.5 to 2 cm, width is about 12.5 mm, and shape is oblong. Now we will discuss the microscopic characters of bitter almond. So it is consist with outermost layer it is epicarp, and which is covered with kernels, and seed is consist with endoderm, and which mesocarp middle layer. Now we will discuss the chemical constituents of bitter almond. So it is consist with colorless crystalline compound cyanogenetic bitter glycoside amygdalane, and it also contains fixed oils, proteins, volatile oils, and enzyme emulsine. In the presence of enzyme emulsine, bitter almonds converts into different types of compounds like cyanide, hydrocyanic acid, benzaldehyde, and 2 sugar molecules, and the bitterness and toxicity of bitter almond due to the presence of cyanide. Now we will discuss various identification tests for bitter almond. So first test is ferricyanide test. In this test, first of all we will take 1 gram powdered drug which is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide solution. Then add aqueous solution which is containing ferrous sulfate and ferric chloride, and then maintain the temperature about 60 to 70 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Now transfer the content with hydrochloric acid, then blue color is formed due to the presence of hydrocyanic acid. Second test is precipitation of mercury with mercurous nitrate. So reduction of aqueous mercurous nitrate solution to metallic mercury, and it is observed by the formation of black color with mercury. Third test is Grignard reaction test. In this test, first of all we will take the white filter paper strip and it is dipped into the picric acid and then sodium carbonate solution. Then this strip is prepared sodium picrate paper. Then this paper is placed into the flask, into the airtight cork, and then maintain the flask in warm place for 1 hour. When the liberated hydrocyanic acid, then filter paper converts into yellow color and then converts into red color due to the formation of sodium isopurpurate. Now we will discuss the uses of bitter almond. So first use, it is used as a sedative due to the presence of hydrocyanic acid. Second, the fixed oil of bitter almond used as a demulcent in skin lotion. Third use, it is used as an antioxidant, helps in weight loss. It is used as a memory enhancer, used in constipation, and used in strong teeth and bones. So thank you so much friends for listening this slide very patiently, and I hope this slide will be beneficial to information regarding various crude drug which is containing glycosides.